In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the perspective viewport focal length in Cinema 4D. Understanding focal length is key to getting the look you want in your scene. A higher focal length gives you a tighter, more telephoto view with less perspective distortion, while a lower focal length gives you a wider view and more dramatic depth. In Cinema 4D, you have two straightforward ways to adjust this: an interactive shortcut for quick, on-the-fly changes, and a precise setting in the viewport configure menu. First, let's use the interactive hotkey, which I recommend for speed. With your cursor over the viewport, press and hold the 2 key on your keyboard. While keeping that key held down, right-click and hold inside the viewport. Now drag your mouse to the right to increase the focal length, which narrows the field of view and compresses depth. Drag to the left to decrease the focal length, which widens the field of view and exaggerates perspective. Watch the scene as you drag to find the look that feels right. When you're happy with it, simply release the mouse button and let go of the 2 key. This method is great when you need to quickly dial in a lens, feel while framing shots. If you prefer a precise numeric value or you want to align with a known lens, use the Viewport Configure menu. Open it by pressing Shift plus V or by going to View, then Options, then Configure. In the Viewport Configure window, locate the linked camera section and expand it. Here you'll find the focal length field. Enter the exact millimeter value you want, or nudge it up and down to fine-tune. This is especially useful when you need consistency across shots or when you're matching real-world lenses. A couple of tips to keep in mind as you work. If you're not using a dedicated camera object, you're adjusting the editor view's lens. If a camera is linked to the viewport, your changes will apply to that camera, which is great for shot planning. Small adjustments can make a big difference. Increasing focal length reduces distortion and is flattering for close-ups, while decreasing it is helpful for interiors or when you need to capture more of the environment. Check your composition after changes to ensure the field of view still supports your story or design. That's it. Use the interactive method for fast visual feedback and the configure window for exact control. With these tools, you can quickly shape the perspective of your scene to match your creative intent.